Beauty is timeless if it's done well, and classical beauty proportions really abide by something called phi, which is the golden mean. And there is mathematics that exists in nature. A lot of this translates in the human body and the human face, honoring our characteristic features and abiding by some of these special proportions to really highlight what enhances our beauty and really letting that sing rather than overdoing and over-exaggerating trends. An interesting shift that I think I see as larger beauty trends, but also questions that I'm getting asked by patients, is wanting to really just have glowy skin, have a softer appearance. What I love about that is that's been tenets that I've built my practice on over the past decade and a half. It shouldn't be exaggerated trends, but really just small tweakments that we can do over long periods of time. Some of my favorite stories that I tell are journeys that I've had with patients now for 13, 14 years, where we look at their baseline photos from almost a decade and a half ago and now look at their current photo. They look authentic to themselves, and chronologically, they actually look often a decade younger, but they've actually aged 10, 12, 14 years. When I think about beauty proportions, I think of things that have persisted since antiquity. If you go to Greece and you look at some of the classic proportions of some of the statues there, there's something very alluring of that. And although maybe proportion trends come and go, there are trends that we just are hardwired and subconsciously see in nature. You don't have to be trained in cosmetic surgery or dermatology to recognize a beautiful face, and you certainly recognize in a split second if something is off. And I think that is really proof that beauty and proportion, that's hardwired, and us actually giving honor to that. And that's always my goal for the patient. And I think it should be something that we walk together with as a discussion so that we can achieve the best goals and people are feeling confident going out the door.